What's up, everybody? All right, y'all. I'm back. I am back with a tutorial. Well, first and foremost, let me start by introducing myself. My name is G. Marie, owner, founder, and HBIC in charge of G. Marie Taught Me. And I am here today with a step tutorial. Today's step tutorial is blow the whistle. Blow the whistle by Too Short. So this was a highly requested step tutorial. And here's the thing. Normally, I would tell you to use a stepper. But for this routine, because it's more intermediate advanced step, just throw the stepper. Just throw the stepper. Throw it away. All right. Let's get to it. So the first move. It's going to be 4 basic knees. You're always going to start off facing the left corner and you're going to step with your right foot. So you're going to step, knee, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. That is the modified version. But for those that have seen my video of me actually doing a routine, I do it going around the invisible stepper. So I'm going to hit every wall or every corner. So I'm facing this way, right? So I have step, knee, step, step. Let me do that again. I'm going to step with the right foot first. Step right, pick up the left knee, step left, right. Then I'm going to switch. Step left, pick up the right knee, step right, step left. And you notice how I'm starting to turn around, right? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to step left, pick up the right knee, step, and I'm hitting each wall. And then I'm going to step right, pick up the left knee, step. So again, it's left, right, step, right, left, step, left, right, step, right, left, step. I'm hitting 4 walls. So wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. All right. So we have that. But for those that want to do the modified version, you have 4 single knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do 3 knees facing the front. Always step with your right foot. So you have 1, 2, 3. Step. Now you're going to reverse it. Step left. 1, 2, 3. Step. All right. Moving on. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, for those that want to do the modified version, you're going to go to the right first. So you have skip, pick up your knee. 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 Or, as we like to call it, hop over the bridge. So, starting with your right foot. So, step right, left, lift knee. Left, right, left, lift the knee. Right, left, right, lift the knee. Left, right, left, lift the knee. That's the modified version. If you had an invisible stepper, you would turn this way. So instead of facing that left corner, you would now face the left wall. You're still going to step with your right foot. And you're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And then you're going to repeat it. Boom, boom, boom. And you can really have fun with this, okay? Let me see. So I'm going to go back to the beginning because sometimes I forget it. But we have 4 single knees, 2, 3 knees, and then go over the bridge 4 times, okay? So let's put that together. And I'm going to count it off. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 knees. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Over the bridge. Right, left, right, left. Now, if you want to lift your knee up at the end, that's fine. You don't have to though. Now, we're going to add an L pause. So you're going to step with that right foot. Step right, pick up your knee. You're going to tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Knee, down, down. And then you're going to reverse. Step left. Knee, tap, tap, tap. Knee, down, down. And if you notice, I like to take my foot around in a half circle, or the proper dance term is a rondéjean for my dancers out there. You know what I'm talking about? But yes, if you're going to do an L pause, step with your right foot first and pick up your left knee. So step right, pick up that left knee, then tap around. 1, 2, 3. Pick up the knee again, and then left, right. And you're going to switch it. Step left, pick up the right knee, tap around. Right knee up, step right, step left. Any questions? Well, I wouldn't be able to hear you, but don't worry. I will help you all next time if you do have any questions. All right, so the next move is a basic twerk. That's all it is. And you could take it around, or you could just keep it forward. I'm going to show you a modified version, which is keeping it forward. So you're going to step right, left, twerk, and right, left. And then you're going to repeat it. Right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left. You're going to repeat it again. Right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left. And then you're going to repeat it one more time. Right, left, twerk, twerk, back, back. Now, intermediate advanced, I took it around the invisible platform. And of course, I faced the front first. So I step right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left. By that time, I should end up back in the front, okay? Now, the last move, and the reason why I'm laughing is because this is not the correct term, but this is what I coined the combo because it was easier for me to remember it. I call this combo, the last section I'm about to teach you, I call it the patty melt. And even me teaching this, I'm a fat burning mode. Just want to let y'all know that step is really serious, okay? So we just did our twerk around the world. We twerked that booty. Now I'll teach you, it's called a patty melt. This is my term. This is not a real step term, but it's my term for my step class, okay? So you're going to step with your right foot and you're facing the front. So you step right, pick up your left knee, step left, twist your right knee. Step right, pick up your left knee, and then step back, back. So again, it's right, left, step, knee, right, left, back, back. And then you're going to step forward with your left foot. You don't have to add a turn, if you don't want to. Left, right, clap. And then you're going to do 2 stumps. Left, stump, left, okay? So I will speed that up a little bit. So stepped right, left, left, twist, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, clap, then step left, right, left, okay? And then you're going to reverse it and go to the right side. But you're going to step left, pick up your right knee, step right, twist left. Left, pick up your right knee, step back, right, step left. You're going to step forward with that right foot. All you have is a rock. Right, left, clap. And then you're going to stump, kind of like a cha-cha. So you have right, left, right. That is called a patty melt. That little combo is called a patty melt. It's mine. I'm keeping it. I don't care what other step instructors say. It is my patty melt, okay? It is the first combo I came up with as a step instructor, and I'm going with it. So let's do that one more time. We're going to step right, left knee, left, twist, right. Right, left knee, step left, right. Step left, right, clap. Then step left, right, left. Reverse. Left, right knee, right, left, left. Right knee, right, left. Right, left, clap. And step right, left, right. That's the modified version. I'm going to show y'all the intermediate advanced version. So all you do is add a turn. So again, it's right, left, left, right, right, left, step, step, left, right, clap, and step, and step. Now when you do a turn, a pivot turn, you step left, right, step left, right, left, and then you reverse. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, clap, step, and step. That's the whole combo. That's the whole combo. So let's put that together really slow. I would do the modified version first, and then I would do the intermediate advanced version. So modified version, we have everything is always facing the front. You don't turn. Just keep it modified, okay? I would do it slow. And then I'm going to try it with music. But I need you all to follow my instructions, okay? Modified version. Face the left corner. We have always start with your left foot and always face the left corner for any step class, okay? Or at least for my step class. All right, let's count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, step, step, left. Right, step, step, right. Left, good, left, right. Now 3 knees. 1, 2, 3, and switch. 1, 2, 3. Over the bridge. Boom. Lift it up. Boom. Lift it up. Boom. Lift it up. L, pause, and tap, 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 boom, boom, tap, tap, tap. Let's twerk. Right, left, twerk, twerk, back, back. Right, left, twerk, twerk, right, left, twerk, twerk. Last time. Right, left, twerk. Now, patty melt. Right, left, step, step, cha, cha, and 1, 2. Reverse, right, step, step, right, left, and cha, cha. It ain't gonna be that slow though. I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. It's not gonna be that slow. It's not gonna be that slow. So I'm gonna try it with music with y'all. Just the modified version. And then the intermediate advanced version. Yeah, but we getting there. All right. I hope everybody's having a good day. My computer wants to do its own thing. And yes, just to let y'all know, this is explicit. So hope it's no people that don't like cursing. Because I do when I work out. All right. It popped up. And here it is. So have fun with it, please, because it's fast.